Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI.
And this carpet miracle from Sunny and Honey is a must-have for any pet parent.
I'm sure we all know the term nose blind, and unfortunately, when you have a lot of pets in the house, that is something that happens. Also, it comes with a lot of stains, but this carpet miracle is the perfect thing to get out not just stains, but odors. It easily lifted these old stains from my rug, a fresh stain on my mattress from my beautiful cat, and it is so easy. This gallon jug will last you for so long. You only need to use a little bit, and it really gets the gunk out. Even just a quick spot treatment on this gray rug of mine, you can see all of the muck that came out. Just because I love my animals doesn't mean I need to smell them all the time, and thanks to this, I don't have to. Keep your home smelling fresh with this carpet miracle. You are going to love it, and everyone else is going to thank you for it as well. And that's my point of view.